everybody. Hi. I wanted to do something new today, and because I've been neglecting my hair, I decided to do a mixture of olive oil that I've done before, coconut oil, which I'm adding to this mask, and a little plank of aloe that I also used. I previously peeled it and put it in the blender, so that's the reason why I'm not being shown with it being cut, but it's all in here. And also I did add an egg for additional protein, coconut oil, and just use a spoon. And I'm just gonna put maybe 2 or 3 because I want to moisturize my hair as much as possible. Get a big scoop here. Just put that in there and just move it around a little bit, but the blender's gonna do its job. So that's that. You can really use any coconut oil as long as it says 100% pure. That's the most important, so as natural as possible. And then I'm going to blend it. Nice creamy texture, and I am ready to apply it to my hair. And here we go.